Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys a quick procedure with these Echo carburetors. Right here I have an Echo GT225 and it needs the carburetor adjusted. It has been rebuilt, but the carburetor does need to be adjusted, and it has this emissions plug. You can also see it on this carburetor. This is just a carburetor that I used for parts. It was from a SRM 225 that I had got a few years ago, but I've removed the plug on it. If you look on this 225, right in there, whoops, you can actually see that black plug. And if you look on the other carburetor, you'll see an adjustment screw in that position. So basically what you need is a small punch like this. This is actually a 1/16, but I believe a 9/32 punch will work even better, but I don't happen to have one of those on hand, so I'm using a 1/16 size punch. And what you're going to want to do is heat up the tip of that red hot, and you're actually just going to insert it into that plug. And once you have it inserted into the plug, you're going to wait for it to cool down, and then you're just going to do it in one swift movement. Pull the punch with the plug out of the carburetor, and I'll show you doing that now. You can see once it starts to glow red. Get it nice and red hot, just like that. And then you're just going to insert it into that plug on the carburetor, apply some pressure, and wait for it to cool down. Alright, so now that we've got this inserted, we've allowed it to cool down. With one swift movement, we're just going to pull it out. As you can see, the plug has come out and it's on the tip of the punch. You can just remove that after. And if you look inside of the carburetor now, you will see the adjustment screw, which is right there. And to adjust it, what you're going to want to do is turn it counterclockwise to add fuel, which in most cases that's what you're going to have to do, because as these carburetors get some small particles in them, even if you try cleaning them, ultrasonically cleaning them is the best route, but sometimes you can clean them, you can rebuild them, and they just still will not get enough fuel. So you'll have to turn it counterclockwise while revving the engine at full throttle until it revs to the highest, and that's how you'll have it set. I usually tune mine till it revs right at the highest RPM and then out 1/16 of a turn. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a quick video showing that hidden adjustment screw and how to remove the plug. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.